Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today we have another Temu haul, yay! So let's go ahead and see what I was able to grab. I do have two different packages I'm going to put into one. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, I have some nice goodies up in this bag that I got from Temu. I hauled some more of the carnival bags because I like the first one so much. I want to get some more. Now this one, this shop you don't get as many as I did on the previous one. So you get two each. So I was able to get the air balloon, the tasty, the little carousel, and I got the train, and then I also got the Ferris wheel. I like these bags. These bags are really, really good. Let me show you. They open from inside. Let's see how much you can put. This is actually a good size bag to put some nice goodies in there. So I got that. Another thing I hauled was this, it's not tinsel, but it's tinsel Garland. And you just get some of it. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And I have some crafting ideas I want to use this for. So I got this one also. Okay. Got that. I love the color. So I got those. Another thing I hauled were these bows. And this is they're a variety. Let me show you through there. So here you get a variety of different, you get solids, you get some with little lines, you get multicolor, you get some with flowers, almost like the end trim. So you get a variety. There's a variety of bows. I will put the picture in the video, but yeah, got those. And then the next thing I hauled is some doilies, and they're just they're heart doilies. And this you get in the, so they're packaged. You do get the red, pink, and white. Look at that. And see how they look. I believe they're 100, either 200, I want to say. You get those. And these are actually real nice. So I got those. Because I'm already thinking about Valentine's already. Now I also have these napkins here. Look at that. They are some lollipop with a bow napkins. I thought these are super, super cute. That. Let's check one. Let's check them out. Look at that. They do open. Yeah, they open this way. Look at that. These are real nice to have. Real nice. That. I had the lollipop ones. Those were cute. Those ones there. Oh, not. I saw these. I had to have these. Also hauled some cherries with some with a bow. Look at those. Those are actually real cute. And these are also napkins. So I got that one. So I did go on a little napkin cuties. The next one I hauled are these cupcake napkins. I thought these were the cutest thing ever. Look at that. How cute are those? Also got these ones there. And then I also got these strawberries. OMG. Napkins, napkins, napkins. Those are so cute. I got those napkins also. And then as I was looking at the cherry stuff, I also found these bags. Look at those. They have the little cherry and they are all different. So you got the cherry. You got the ones, the heart cherry looking. The pink one. Oh, that's super nice. Look at the bow. Love the bows. Another bow. Beautiful. Love those. So that's another thing I was able to find on there. There's a lot of cuteness. A lot of cuteness. Oh, and then I got some more little bags. Let me just take out a few. So I hauled this before. And you get 4 different types of 4 fronts. So you get this one, and I'll put the picture in the video. And you also get the heart convention hearts. So I got this for packaging, and this one was like 100. So you get 100 of them. So yeah, I got those. So I got those. It'd be good to add some goodies in there for on swaps. Another thing I hauled are these empty cupcake liners, which I could use with my, I'll take a few of them out, so I could use with my decadent or the whipped glue, to decorate and make my own charms. So I got some of those. I also hauled some, these are like stars and hearts, and they are in red and white. And these are beads. That. Take a few out. So they're red and white, and there are hearts and stars. I got those. These are not for beatable pins, just for like I could add to dangles and stuff, and you get a good amount in there. Look at that. I got those ones also. Another thing I hauled were these gorgeous lips. And they have different sizes, different thicknesses. So you have that one. You have the open pucker. Look at that. You got this one. And you see this one's super thick. This one's flat. And there's also some smaller ones. Now look at that. Gorgeous. I have those. I got some lips. I also ordered some cute jemmies, which I like to use in sequence mix and put them on embellishments. They're not adhesive, they're just regular plain. So this is, I bought this before, the pink one, and wanted some more for my stash. So I got that one. And then I also hauled some clay bits, and it has some gold pearls in there. And this is a Valentine mix. Look at that. How cute is that? That's super pretty. Love it. So I got that. Okay. I also hauled these heart jemmies. Look at these. These are not adhesive either. Look at those. These are super pretty. And that. So I got those. Those are actually real nice. And then I also have these cuties. These are little snowmen. And look at those. Look at that. And it's got some texture to it. That's super cute. There's some cuteness. I got some snowman. I also have these cherries. And I saw these and this was really cute. Look at these. This will be super cute for some embellishments. Look at that. Love it. So I saw that. Yep, I had to have it. Love, love, love. So I got some cherry embellishments. And then I did get some cute, these are some cute beads. Now these were out of stock. And they've been going by fast. But these are super cute. And they have a variety of different colors. Oh, look at that. Those are cute. And the bead does run up and down. Real nice. Love those. And then the next thing I have were some dies, which I will be testing out. Okay, so the first one is like a banner strip. Well, like a one banner strip. And you got different sizes. So they will get that, which I don't have in my stash. And the next thing I had was this candy, and I figured you could use, they advertise it for like Valentine, for Halloween, but you could use it for Halloween, Christmas, Valentine, and Easter. Look at that. Love it. And it does come with a little stick. And then this one here creates a tassel right there. So it embosses the lines. So I also have that one. Now this one here is a rebuy. I did order this before and it was bent, so I was able to get a refund on it. And I did also do a video testing this die, which worked amazing if it wasn't bent. So that should be, I should be uploading that. Hopefully that'll be uploaded before this video comes out. If not, it will be uploaded soon. But I also have this die here, and this does have outer piece, the inner piece, and these are extras. Got that one. Okay, this one is a Mendex, so I saw that. I thought this was really cute. But this one looks like it only has the main piece, and then these ones that come out. I got that. And then I also ordered this other Mendex, and it's got several different layers. So I got that one also. And I'll be trying all these stamps, these dies out, so you can see if they work or not. So yeah, that is my little Temu haul I want to share with you. I will be testing out all the dies so you can see if they work or not, if it's worth the money. Yeah, I really like this haul. This haul is a nice Valentine type haul. I love everything on it. And if everything is, if the stuff is in stock, I will be putting that in the description below. Plus the code will be below. This was actually a real fun haul that I have here. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. For me, I will have to say, oh, that's hard, but I do like the napkins. I do like the napkins. So with that said, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.